Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Man, what a beautiful morning today. So today's finally the day that I'm gonna take the boat out fishing. Finally, I've been waiting for this day. So yeah, if y'all haven't seen the video, go check it out. The previous video, I restored my old John boat. So go check that out. And yeah, let's load it up to the truck and let's go. Also, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe. Go give the other video a like and give this video a like. So let's go. Alright guys, I got it loaded. It's time to go. Let's head out. Alright guys, we made it out here to the lake. So let's get the boat down and let's hit the water. Goes my little John boat right there. It's ready to go. So I gotta get the battery hooked up. Alright guys, there it goes, hooked up. Now I need to unhook the rope and we're ready to go. Let's see how this works. This is my first time out in this lake. It's Wilson Mills Reservoir, I think. But when you go, this little Minn Kota engine motor, it really only speeds up on level 5. If you're on level 1, it really doesn't move you at all. So yeah, let's explore this lake. See what we can find here. Alright guys, let's see if we can catch something here. It's so hard to balance on this thing. Right now I'm using a simple setup, kicker, curl worm, just with a little sinker like that. Let it go down to the bottom. See what we can catch with this. So, got some fish jumping over there. Come on, fish, where you at? Ah, had one. Okay, hook on. There's a lot of fish here. I see them jumping, but had one bite. So I know there's some bass in here, but I don't really want to bite today. And I have about an hour, 30 minutes to an hour left because it's gonna start raining and there's lightning coming. So I don't want to be in the water when there's lightning. I gotta catch me some soon. Y'all give me some bass fishing tips. What do y'all use? What do y'all like to use as bait? I had a bait caster, but I didn't really like it. I would always get tangled. I mean, how do y'all like those? I prefer the spinning reels than the bait casters. I've always liked fishing. I just never. It's been a couple years that I haven't gone fishing, so I'm trying to slowly get back to it. I mean, I enjoy it, the peacefulness. I'm out here alone. Nobody's here. I love the wilderness. Another tip: what kind of line do y'all like to use? Because I've always had bad luck with like 10-pound line tests, because every time I hook on something big, it breaks the line. So I go for like 20 to 30 plus pounds, but I don't know if that's recommended. Let me know what kind of line y'all use. What kind of setup do y'all use? Man, I need to catch at least one bass, man. That's one thing I've never really caught. I've never caught a bass bigger than like a pound. But I always just caught little ones. So I gotta beat my record every time. See, I hear and see the fish jumping, but I don't get no bites. That sucks. It's getting hot now. Damn, I forgot to bring my water. Fuck. Getting thirsty. Had a bite, man. I got one. Hell yeah. Check that out. Whoo. That's a nice bass right there, boy. Stop jumping, boy. Check that out. This is gonna be my thumbnail right here. Whoa. Closer. Get out the way. This is the only one I caught. I'm happy with it. Back in the water, boy. Let's see if we can catch more. They're right here. Hey, if that's the only one I caught, I'm happy. At least I got one. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start heading towards the dock because, like I said, I don't want to get caught up in this rain. And it took me about 20 minutes to get here. And plus, I gotta go against the current, so it's gonna take me a bit longer. Well, guys, I guess this fishing trip came to an end. I would have really loved to catch more fish, but I guess because of the rain, I don't know. But I don't want to be out here with lightning, so it's time to go. Damn, got a little cramped up of being sitting there. But yeah, like I said, the trip comes to an end. Look at the weather. Well, look at the clouds. It's about a storm, so it's time to go home. But yeah, let me load up the boat now, back into the truck. Well, yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I'm exhausted for putting that boat back on the truck, but yeah, I'm gonna be coming back out here again because I did catch, y'all saw, I caught one bass, but I had a couple more bites, but I don't know why they weren't hooking on. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, leave this video a like, a comment, and see y'all on the next one. Peace.